Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. If you are new to our channel, please like, share and subscribe. Today I am going to solve math worksheet with solutions. It's my guarantee that children will see this type of questions, then they will solve them within seconds. 2671 minus 1098. How they are going to do within second? See. Okay, so if we add 2 to this, then we will add 2 also to this. Okay, by adding 2 both the sides, then by subtract we will get the answer 1573. Okay, so the second question is, which of the following is the greatest? So how they will know within a second which of the following is the greatest? 21 multiplied by 17, 32 multiplied by 12 and 25 multiplied by 11, 41 multiplied by 7. First way is by looking at the number. Which number is the biggest? Yes, 41 is the biggest number. But 41 is multiplied by 7. So this is not considerable as the product is greatest. So after 41, which number is there? 32. Okay. So 32 multiplied by 12 is the greatest. This is the first way. If the child is confused, then we are going to multiply like 32 multiplied by 12 is 10 plus 2. So they are going to multiply first. 32 multiplied by 10 is 320. Then plus 32 multiplied by 2 is 64. So what is the answer? 384 is the answer. The third question is 36 equals 2 multiplied by 18. It is correct. Now again equals 2 multiplied by 18. They are going to multiply like 2 multiplied by 9. 9 twos are 18. Now what will be the set? So we are going to see. We are going to multiply like 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied 3 multiplied by 3. Okay, so 3 threes are 9. So this one is the answer. Now coming to fourth one, 252 divided by 36. So 252 divided by 36, we are going to do it. Okay, so we don't know 36 table. So how we will do it? We are going to check that if we multiply 2, then the ones digit will be 2, but that cannot be a 3-digit number. So the next number will be 3 6 ja 18. No. 4 6 ja 24. No. Then 4 5 6 ja 30. No. 6 6 ja 36. No. 7 6 ja 42. 7 6 ja 42. So 4 we will write here. 7 3 are 21 plus 4 is 25. Within a second we get 7. So which is the answer? 7. Okay. Seventh one. Which of the following is the least? 2 upon 7, 2 upon 9, 2 upon 5, 2 upon 3. Okay. If the numerators are same and the denominators are different, they are called like fractions. So how will we find out which one is the least? Okay. So when you check the denominator, the greatest denominator will be the least and the least denominator will be the greatest. So this is the trick to find out which one is greatest fraction and which one is the least fraction. If the denominator is greater, then that one is the least. If denominator is the smaller, then that one is the greatest. But that is for like fractions when numerators are same. So the answer is 2 upon 9. Now coming to 3 upon 7 equals dash upon 42. So we are going to check. 7 6 ja 42. Then 3 6 ja, yes, 18. So 18 is the answer. Okay. The ninth question. Each chocolate packet costs 12 rupees and each biscuit packet costs 21 rupees. Okay. What is the total cost of 7 chocolate packets and 5 biscuit packets? So one chocolate costs 12. Then what is the cost of 7 chocolate? 12 7 ja 84. And each biscuit packet means one biscuit packet costs 21 rupees. So 5 biscuit packet costs 105. So we are going to add 105 plus 84. So what will be the answer? 189 is the answer. Okay. Now the last question. What is the time? 25 minutes after 2:40 a.m. So 2:40 a.m. 25 minutes means that will be also a.m. Okay. So how we are going to know? 2:45 a.m. plus 25 minutes. Okay, this is hour and this is minute. So 7, but we can't write 70. So 60 plus 10. So 60 minute means 1 hour. So we are going to write here 1. Okay, and we are going to write 10 minutes. So 2 plus 1 is 3 hour and 10 minutes. So where is the AM? 3:10 AM. I hope you like the video. You got the tricks how you will find out. Okay. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.